Hello everyone. In 2019, as per choice-based credit system, Shivaji University Kolhapur has started the new syllabus for the Ability Enhancement Compulsory course, earlier which is known as a compulsory English. In the second year BA and the third semester, there are 4 modules as per the syllabus of Shivaji University for the paper Ability Enhancement Compulsory course, which is earlier known as a compulsory English book. There are 4 modules: Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 and Module 4. These 4 modules we are going to understand in detail. These 4 modules included some reading comprehension unit like a prose and poem and communication skill units. In Module 1 there are 3 parts: A, B and C. A is a oral skill communication skill unit, B is a real good smile, a story written by Bill Norton, and C is a poem written by Robert Frost. Title of the poem is Mending Wall. This is a very famous poem written by one of the very famous poet Robert Frost, and a short story by Bill Norton, A Real Good Smile. So module 1 is divided in 3 parts: 1 oral skill of communication skill, B a real good smile story, and C Mending Wall, poem of Robert Frost. In module 2 there are 2 units, A and B. A is a conversation skill communication unit, and B again one story, The Highway by Ray Bradbury. So these 2 parts we were able to see in the module 2. In the module 3rd there are 2 parts again, A and B, developing writing skills, and B whitewashing the fence, story written by Mark Twain. So these 2 parts in the module 3rd, 1 unit of communication skill, developing writing skill, and B whitewashing the fence, the story written by Mark Twain. After this there is a module 4th. In the module 4 there are 2 parts, and these 2 parts are totally for poem. 1 A and B. A is a poem written by Dilip Chitre, Father Returning Home. The title of the poem is Father Returning Home, and there is a garden in her face. There is a garden in her face, written by Thomas Campion. So this is the 4th module. So these 4 modules, 1 module, 2, 3rd and 4th, these 4 modules we are able to see in the famous semester 3rd of Ability Enhancement Compulsory course. And there are 3 units in this 4 module, okay, of communication skill, okay, poem and some prose comprehension we are able to see in this 4 module. With the not only module, we need to understand what is the question paper pattern for this paper. In detail we are going to understand what is the question paper pattern. The question paper is of this paper is for 50 marks. We are going to understand in detail how these 50 marks are divided, okay, for the different marks. Question 1 is divided in 2 parts, question 1A and 1B. Question 1A, there are 4 multiple choice questions and 4 alternatives are going to be there. 4 choices are going to be given, and for every question, okay, you have to choose, you have to write one option you have to choose out of this 4 option, and you have to rewrite the sentence again. 4 questions will be there, 4 marks will be there, and these all 4 questions are based on prose and poem, that is reading compensation. And question 1B is again answer the following questions in 1 word, phrase or sentences each. Okay, there will be again 4 questions. You have to write the answer. Just you can write with 1 word or 1 sentence or 1 phrase. It depends on the answer of the particular question, and these questions again based on prose and poem, and this question is for 4 marks. So question 1A for 4 marks, question 1B for 4 marks. So totally 1 question is for 8 marks, and this total 1 is divided for reading comprehension, for that is prose and poem. After this there is a question 2. This is very important question. This question is one of the highest score question we are able to see. Okay, see that question number 2, A, B and C. This question 2 is divided into 3 parts: question 2A, question 2B and question 2C. Question 2A, there will be 5 questions based on poem and prose. Out of 5 you have to write only 3, and 3 questions you have to write, and the answers of every question you have to write in either in 3 to 4 sentences. Just 3 to 4 sentences you have to write the answers of these 3 questions, and each question will carry 2 marks. So means question 1A is for 6 marks, and question 2A is for 6 marks, question 2B for 8 marks, and question 2B is on short notes. Short note question is there. There are 3 short notes, but only 2 short notes you have to write, one you have to exclude, and out of these 3 you have to choose only 2, and each short note will carry 4 marks and 2 short notes will be 8 marks. So this question is for 8 mark. Okay, and question 2C is based on vocabulary exercise type question, and there will be 2 questions, and these questions will be on a 2 marks. So this question number 2 is of 16 mark. 8 plus 2 10, and 10 plus 6 16 marks are able to seen. Okay, for the question number 2. After this, question 3 is based on communication skill unit. So question 3, question 4, question 5, all these 3 remaining questions are based on communication skill. The 3 unit and 3 questions are there. The question 3rd is based on the oral skill communication skill unit. Okay, and there are question 4, 3A and 3B. Both of these questions are based on the unit of oral skill. Okay, and both of these questions are carrying 4 plus 5, 9 marks are there for the oral unit. Okay, oral skill unit is made for 9 marks, and these questions are divided in A and B. Okay, A and B question, 3rd A and question 3rd B. 3rd A for 4 marks and 3rd B for 5 marks. Question 4A and question 4B for 8 marks. This is based on conversation skill unit. Okay, and there will be 2 questions on this conversation skill unit. In the question 4, that is question 4A and question 4B, and marks will be 4 plus 4, 8 marks are there. So question 4 is totally devoted for 8 marks. After this, there is a question 5, and the question 5, there are again 2 part of the question 5, question 5A and question 5th B, and both of these questions 5A and B is devoted for the developing writing skill, communication skill unit. So these 3 units are there of communication skill in question 3rd, question 4 and question 5th. The question 3rd is for 9 marks, question 4 is for 8 marks, and question 5 is for 8 mark again. So this, in short, we are able to understand. In short, if we go in very detail, so we can understand question 1st and 2nd is devoted for reading composition, that is for prose and poem. Question 3rd, 4th and 5th is based on a communication skill unit. So 15 marks total structure is there. So my dear friends, if you understand in very detailed manner, what is the structure of question paper pattern and what is exactly the module is made of, or what is the content of the module, if you learn it very properly, so it will be easy for you people from the examination point of view to understand it and to write in a very systematic manner. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.